Hi to all, hello everybody, good evening. And today I have one nice red padlock of great brand ABUS of Germany. And it's very nice lock, really nice lock. Nice lock, and first time I see this lock before 3-4 days, something. Uh, so, and I see nice manufacturing of lock. Every point waterproof, and it's open, close, good, not move, and look nice. So I am always first what I try to make with locks. I need normal tensioners, really, but it's okay. So I try every time to pick zipping no method, and multi-pick good too. And no, it's open, and we need to test how okay and how not okay. Okay, now we try to pick him single. So 0 for multi-pick. I enter. I found something, ask something, ask. I move this something and want to listen. Click, but not listen. It's okay. First, second, third, four, and I feel here something interesting. Nice, it was quick, and now I feel something interesting too. Just a moment. No, yes. So, nice tool, multi-pick, made in Germany. ABUS made in Germany too, I think so, but maybe it's very good tool, so I take my tool. I sure multi-pick best from this tool, from this tool. This tool. This is I don't know how to say what kind of steel here. So, and we try number 3, number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Was open, okay, it's open. Or not was open, I don't remember. Not important, really. So, I don't know. I don't understand nothing. And no, just one moment, I understand this China lock. It's really 100%. Very nice look. Really? $10 his price. Maybe somebody need beautiful, not guard, beautiful, beauty. It's wonderful. Why not? Somebody want beauty lock. For example, ABUS of China. Okay. One moment. This not old story, but I need to say 2-3 words about this lock and story of this lock. This is SL lock, super lock, 2-in-1. His key was problem for me to pick him. 2-3 days, something like that. I try and and uh, and I no, it was problem. So I say if I not pick him 3 days, 2 days or 3 days, I got him. Now answer why and what I need to do with this lock was in front my nose here, this point. I make video with picking, very long video. I with picking and this lock have some points not difficult, very difficult for move rotor full around, no, 360 80 degrees, so around, turn around, and after all it's blocked on start position. I think I know why. It's a very long story to say it now why. But if I think it's a very interesting video, because I meet the first time this lock in my country, and this brand, many locks of this brand we have here, super lock, but 2-in-1 with, it's not interactive, it's block element with spring, with pin here, something like alpha pin in MT5, something like in Axira Terard lock interactive pin, something like that, but not problem if you know, so it's not big problem. If you don't know, or you don't, it's will very difficult to pick, because you need to wound this point and this little point here in where is we see this moment, so it's point here, and it's something little, and pin more little, you need to move him, so this pin push on pin driver pin, so it's enter in lock side, and you can to move rotor. So I make video. No video I have. Just I need to put him in the in YouTube. That's all. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you for comments and all positive moving in the channel. Goodbye. Bye bye.